Hi everyone and welcome. I've decided to show you a very quick video on welding. I know I already have some other videos on it, but I've decided to teach you how to do this stuff in under 5 minutes. So today we are doing welding. You will find that you will mostly do it with text. You can weld images also. Basically, welding is exactly what it sounds like. You're welding things together. In font or text, you will find that you will mostly use it when you are using a written font like this one, or let me just find another one, like that one, or not so much that one. Or that one. But I don't want written because that makes it hard to show you. So there we go. So what you need to do is have it all selected, your word, and you are going to ungroup it. I'm just going to make it bigger. So you ungroup it. Now you can move all your letters. I like to line them up on a line just to make it so I get them even. Now what you got to do is you need to move all your letters so that they are touching. Very important. Once you have them all touching, you would select all from either the top or click and drag, and you're going to go down here to the right hand corner and select weld. Oh no, what just happened? Well, if you find that any part of your letters fill in, that is letting you know that you have the letters too close. So you will have to undo your weld, go back to your letter, and move it. Select all and weld again. See, now it's fine. It does not have any issues. It's all one. It will cut as one. Perfect. Now, if you were to just use attach, your letters would still cut individually. So welding is the way to go when you have written font or images that you need to have attached. Anyways, guys, I hope this real quick video on how to weld was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Happy crafting, guys!